So let's see if we can determine if this syllogism is valid or invalid. So to do that, I'm going to use Venn diagrams. So I have some perceptions of doubting are ideas of reflection. Then I have all perceptions of doubting are operations of mind. And do those two lead to the conclusion that some operations of mind are ideas of reflection? So just if I were to only make a Venn diagram for the first one, some perceptions of doubting ideas are reflection. So there's some overlap, but not all of them. So if this right here are my perceptions of doubt, these my ideas of reflection. Right, so this, so some perceptions of doubt are reflection, right? There's some overlap there. Now the all looks a little bit different. So if I were to just make the all here, all of the perceptions of doubt, so this is my doubt, have to be our operations of the mind. So then the mind would be out. So the overlap is complete as opposed to partial, right? Some versus all. So this would be mind. Now putting these two together to see how they fit, again, start over. My first one, again, was some doubt are reflections. And then all perceptions of doubt, so this circle here, are operations of the mind. So then that has to live completely. Now, I'm not going to encircle the reflections because I don't know the relationship between mind and reflections yet. That it could be a complete one, it could be a partial one, but for sure I can do that right there. I'm not sure what's going on there at the moment. So that's the correct way to connect these two. So this is operations of the mind there. Now I have to check the conclusion based on this Venn diagram of it. Some operations of the mind, yeah, so it's not all operations of the mind. They don't live inside of reflections just because of the way those two are connected there. So some operations of the mind are reflections of idea. That would be this overlap. So this right here is